gotta go up front.
Okay, she's coming.
She's right there. She can go up and see.
Sister.
We are thankful for baby Mara, who joined the Free Alliance safely this summer.
Hi. Okay. You want to tell them what you're going to sing, you guys? Okay, they're going to sing a song called I Gave My Heart to Jesus. And they're going to sing it really loud. Last year we brought a microphone. We forgot to bring it this year. So if anybody needs one on the day they perform, just email me. Okay, ready? Oh, your name's? Did she say? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, this is Sage. You go ahead and say your name.
I'm Sage.
How old are you?
I'm Sage Freeline. I'm 8.
Okay.
And I'm Ruby Freeline, and I'm 6 years.
Ruby's just lost both of her front teeth. She's very excited about that. And Iris, how old are you? Iris is 3. And then who has the baby? Yeah, there's Mara. Okay. All right. She's 11, almost 11 weeks. Here, look out that way, honey.
I'm in the hands of Grandpa to help him for a while. My kisses are for Grandma. It always makes her smile. I have promised Daddy he'd get all my hugs. Mama, she is special. I give her my love, but I gave my heart to Jesus. He's my dearest friend. I gave my heart to Jesus. I will follow him. I share with my sister, although it seems unfair, and I will do my duties and include her in my prayers. I love giving presents, money, clothes, and toys, but I have learned that giving also brings much joy. But I gave my heart to Jesus. He's my dearest friend. I gave my heart to Jesus. I will follow him. I gave my heart to Jesus. He's my dearest friend. I gave my heart to Jesus. I will follow him. I will follow him.
Yay!
Wonderful, girls. Thank you so much.
Good job, girls. Good job, Iris. Good job.
Cry.